Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to claim Shopee insurance. So to claim Shopee insurance, guys, go to the Shopee app on your phone or Google website official on Google and tap button view purchase history and choose the relevant order and tap on view detail and then climb to respective claim detail and will be showing. So guys, that is exactly how you can claim Shopee insurance. So guys, if you have this video helpful, don't forget subscribe and share this video, and I hope get some value, and make sure like and video subscribe to my channel to get notified for new video. So guys, next video I see you soon. Any question down below in the commenter and I will be very happy to answer your question.